On today's episode of MotoCheez.
The following movie is rated
I.
That's it. Probably using another SD card. Made it through breakdown straights again. The damn crank pulley I ordered with the serpentine setup has a different groove pattern. So now I gotta figure out what the heck to do about that. Wow, high beam much?
Damn it.
You're gonna have to fix the stuff up in there and then close it. The message keeps coming up. I gotta get a picture of that. Got Cousin Eddie in a tree. Hitter's full. I think last year they had someone up on a house on a ladder. Clark. What's up, Cousin Eddie? I'm wondering when they were gonna set that up. Lock it.
A few moments later.
Wow, look at that sky. Oh, that's good. Look at that. What'd you get?
Quesadilla.
That truck that went by, the whole thing was full of lights. I mean, there wasn't even a spot where there wasn't a light bulb covering it. The truck was totally lit up.
Huh.
The whole
I'm not touching it till we get home.
take the stuff and pile it up in the back
I
of
thought
it.
I did, but I can't even see in this jalopy.
Now-
Look, I can't even reach the back. This stupid seatbelt cuts into my neck, right? And so I went to put it under my arm like I do in other vehicles, but now it's up so tight, my arm's just...
Didn't even think about it, but Minnie's got little underglows. It's lit right up, Minnie.
The next day.
This little guy been riding around the back in a mini truck for like 2 days. Guess I should put him outside. What's up, buddy? Is it gonna be a bad winter? Help! Put me outside! Way too big. Back to a lawnmower belt. That 6-inch pulley was a little fat, you know, the lip on it. This is the 5-inch, but it had the same lip, a little fatter. I had to turn that off in the lathe. I turned that until it fell off, then put a 45 on it, and then, you know, put a file on it while it was in the lathe. I had to do that. Look how close that is, and that's my water pump pulley there. So I had to shave that down so I could bolt this on and it wouldn't hit that. Yes, I'm using a lawnmower belt just because that's the only one I had at this size. And I do want to put that tensioner from the inside, but it's so big. And I don't want to open it up too much because I want as much belt surface on this as possible. You know, to transfer the power, of course. Go for a quick test drive. Hear the blower whine a little better. Yeah, that's better. About 9 pounds. Gotta try it because when I switch to serpentine, it's gonna be 2 to 1. I think the bypass is a 10-pound spring, so shouldn't go over 10 pounds. As long as I don't have a lead foot and keep it to the floor, I think I'll be okay. But yeah, I'm pushing over 10 pounds of boost, eh? Thanks again, boys. The rush to get everything out in time for Christmas. I gotta pick up some chocolate for the wife, though. Mama's working again on a weekend. So the temperature is higher now that it's spinning faster, which I kind of assumed it was going to be. Got the wife some goodies. Happy wife, happy life. Am I right? Oh, looks like hail, Minnie. Sounds like hail, too. Let's check out how hot that belt is. It could go a little tighter. All good. So I put a little kink in the choke, so it'll only do like half choke, but I gotta get something that'll stop it from doing full choke. But I think that might work, so I can use my choke, because then it still gets the feed, still gets my idle up, so I can warm it up a little, and then when I push it off, see, and it'll still have enough velocity to pull it through that choke flap. That might work. I wish I could put that tensioner on there. Oh, now Brandon, that Mustang don't want none of this mini truck. Strange. Guess I could put that heavier spring in there and try it. Next size up. Because that should be pushing like 9, 10, 11 pounds of boost. The other strange thing is how my mixture has changed. That makes no sense at all. I don't remember doing that yesterday. We're getting 13 miles a gallon now. Stopping it at 6 pounds. That's floored. spring, I bet. And when I first start out and it's cold, it sticks a little bit, so it lets it boost up. I'll bet you. Try another spring. Getting learnt, boys, getting learnt. Which means a 5-inch pulley might be good, because that would push up to 9 sometimes. That's floored. It just stops at 6. See, if I had a camera on that bypass tube, that would tell me. It's still pretty warm. No, pipe is cool. Came with 2 of these silver springs. The yellow is a little more, isn't it? What the heck are these discs for? Someone tell me, will ya? I guess the yellow. Yellow it is. See how that works, boys. That was it. That was a 6-pound spring. I almost want to put that 5-inch pulley back on. Boy, she's heating up. I bet you I'm overdriving that supercharger right now. Because it's stopping it at like 10, 11 pounds. Might be 12 too, because that's one off. Wow. It's amazing what 4 to 5 pounds more boost does. Oh yeah. I can hear detonation now when I push up over 11. That's the danger zone there, boys. So I cut a groove in the bottom of that square nut for a stop for the choke, so it only opens about a third. I guess you can kind of see where I put the groove with a hacksaw. So I think I can use a choke if I don't choke it all the way. Must be. Look at that machine fit, boys. I'm no machinist. I just play one on YouTube.
3 hours later.
Buffalo chicken quesadilla. And what'd you get?
Crispy chicken wrap.
Crispy chicken wrap. Very good.
I don't know what else to do right now.
Crawfish. They're a pianist over there. A pianist?
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.